Hi, I'm Rosal with BuildersRisk.net, and today I'll show you how Builders Risk Insurance can be your safety net, keeping your projects on track no matter what comes your way. Today we're exploring Builders Risk Insurance, a must-have for anyone involved in construction projects here in Washington. From heavy rainfall to unpredictable weather, this insurance has you covered. So what is Builders Risk Insurance? Builders Risk Insurance, also known as course of construction insurance, offers coverage to buildings under construction. This could be brand new ground-up construction or a remodel project. Builders Risk offers coverage to properties from physical damage caused by fire, theft, vandalism, and wind. The reason you need this policy is that standard property insurance does not offer coverage to properties under construction, as they face unique risks. Builders Risk Insurance will help cover the gaps and make sure that construction can continue smoothly after facing a claim. So what does Builders Risk Insurance cover? As mentioned, it covers your property from risks like fire, theft, wind, and vandalism. The policy is tailored to your specific needs and can also include coverage for other structures like scaffolding, and can also cover building equipment and materials used. Building ordnance, soft costs, and debris removal are important coverages that your policy should contain. To view exactly what type of coverage you have, you should refer to the declarations page of your policy. So what is not included on a builder's risk policy? Because your builder's risk policy is customizable to your project needs, the exclusions differ from policy to policy. Make sure to go over the exclusions with your builder's risk agent so you are clear on what is not covered. This should be done when purchasing the policy. The worst thing that could happen is realizing something is not included when you have a potential claim. The most common exclusions are flood and earthquake coverage in Washington. So who needs Builders Risk Insurance? Anyone with a financial interest in the project will benefit from this policy. This could be the property owner, contractor, or lender. Now, if you're getting a construction loan, your lender will require you to have a policy. Many permits that are needed are also require proof of insurance. For contractors, your employers could also require you to get insurance for the job. So how much does Builders Risk cost? The cost of this policy will vary based on a number of factors, such as your construction budget, the construction type, and the location of your property. The general rule of thumb is that your policy will cost 1 to 4% of your total construction budget. To get an accurate quote for your project, simply give us a call at the number on your screen. So what should you know about your policy? Take a look at your policy and go over in detail with your agent so you are sure what is included. Pay attention to the deductibles on your policy. It is also important to know the start and end date of your policy. If your policy ends before construction is completed, you can usually request an extension with the insurance carrier. Although coverage ends on the expiration dates listed on your policy, there are certain conditions that can end coverage. For example, a certificate of occupancy being issued or the property becoming occupied. So why choose BuildersRisk.net? Here at BuildersRisk.net, we specialize exclusively in builders risk policies. We work with the top A-rated insurance companies throughout the country, which issue 95% of all builders risk policies in the US. We can usually offer same-day coverage at a competitive price. We also have experience in those hard-to-place projects or if you have claims history. Let our 28 years of experience in the field go to work for you. Simply give us a call and get a free quote from our experienced agents. Let us help you build with confidence in Washington. Thanks for watching.